Once headers are attached, Kafka automatically carries them along with the message as it flows through various topics, ensuring this vital metadata stays consistently with the data. Finally, the extraction layer is where your consumers come in. They read the headers from the incoming Kafka consumer record, extracting the metadata needed for their specific business logic or operational decisions, such as routing a user to an A/B test variant. This creates a clear, observable control flow. A user request hits your API gateway, headers are injected, the message reliably travels through Kafka, and then consumers extract those headers to inform their actions. Let's get practical and explore some key applications. Headers are incredibly versatile. For distributed tracing, we use headers like trace ID to uniquely identify an entire request journey across multiple microservices, and span ID to mark individual operations within that journey. This provides an invaluable map for pinpointing performance bottlenecks. For feature flags, a header might contain a JSON object like feature flags, letting you dynamically enable or disable features for specific users or segments without any code redeployment. Imagine routing just 10% of your users to an experimental new feed algorithm. The implementation strategy is straightforward. During message creation, services use Kafka's header serializer to inject these headers. Kafka handles their propagation automatically. On the consumer side, you extract headers early in the processing pipeline using consumer record.headers, typically storing them in a thread local context and then using them throughout your business logic execution. This approach ensures consistency and flexibility. As you implement headers in production, keep a few critical points in mind to ensure robustness and performance. First, header size limits. It's crucial to keep your headers small, ideally under 1 kilobyte total. Large headers can impact broker performance, so use efficient serialization. Second, consider schema evolution. Your header schemas should always be designed for backward compatibility. New fields should be optional with sensible defaults to prevent breaking changes.